Algebra doesn't have to be confusing. In this video, we will learn how to simplify expressions by combining like terms the easiest way to make algebra manageable. Now, what are like terms? Like terms are terms that have the same variables. If you do not know what variables mean, then you need to watch the last video on algebra. Check the description section for the link to the video where I explain what each part of an algebraic expression mean. You can only combine terms if they have exactly the same variable part. For example, 3x and 5x are like terms, while 2 is a constant. It does not have x attached to it, so it is a constant. So now, to add this algebraic expression, we will have to combine the like terms. Now, 3x plus 5x, this means we have 3 plus 5 x then plus 2. So all we have to do is that is for us to add the coefficient of the like terms and then we keep the variable. So the coefficient of these terms are 3 and 5. So we add the coefficient. 3 plus 5 gives 8 and then we keep the variable. So this gives 8x plus 2, and that is how to simplify this algebraic expression. The constant remains the way it is since we do not have more than one constant. Now, let's add multiple variables. Let's add 4a plus 3b minus 2a plus 5b. Here we have multiple variables, and what are we going to do? What we have to do is that we will group the like terms. Here we can see 4a and negative 2a, they are like terms, and 3b and 5b are like terms because they have the same variables. So we group them like this. We say 4a minus 2a, we bring them together. Then we have plus, we have 3b here and plus 5b. This way we can simplify this and then simplify this. 4a minus 2a gives 2a, then plus 3b plus 5b. 3 plus 5 gives 8. So this is 8b. And we just simplify this algebraic expression. So you group each variable together, then you add or subtract the coefficient. Constants can be combined separately. If we have two or more constants, then we add the constant too. Now let's look at another example. Now, what will be the answer to this? 5x plus 3 minus 2x plus 7. Pause this and leave the answer in the comments. What will be the answer? How do we solve this? So we group the like terms such that we have, let's bring 5x minus 2x together, then we have plus 3 plus 7. 5 minus 2 gives 3, so this gives 3x, then 3 plus 7 gives 10. So the answer to this is 3x plus 10. Did you get it? So the the key is that you have to group the numbers with numbers and then you group the variables with variables, then you can simplify. Now let's look at another example. Let's simplify 6y minus 4 plus 3y plus 7. What is the answer? Now let's group it together. To group this together, we bring the ones with variables together so that we have 6y plus 3y. Then we have minus 4 plus 7. 6 plus 3 gives 9. So this gives 9y. Then minus 4 plus 7. The bigger number has the positive sign. That means our answer has to have positive. Assuming the bigger number has negative, then the answer will be negative. So 7 minus 4. 4 minus 4 plus 7 is the same thing as saying plus 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 gives plus 3. So the answer to this is 9y plus 3. So you have to be careful with negative numbers. You combine them as you would when you are doing normal arithmetic. Now try simplifying this and leave your answer in the comment. 1. 3x plus 4x minus 5. 2. 7p minus 3q plus 2p plus q. Let me add one more. This is plus. Let me add one more. We have 2a plus 5b minus a, then plus 3b. If you learn anything from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel because there are more videos coming up. And if you have any question that you do not know how to solve, leave it in the comments and I will help you with the solution. Now, what are the answers to this? Make sure you don't cheat. Make sure you solve it before you check the answer. So pause right now before I display the answer. So the answers are, for number 1, we have 7x minus 5. For number 2, we have 9p minus 2q. And then for number 3, we have a plus 8b. How many did you get? Let me know in the comments. So the key takeaway is that when you want to simplify an algebraic expression, you first identify the like terms, you group the like terms together, then you add or subtract the coefficients and you keep the constant separate. Do not add constant to the term that has variable. Once you practice combining like this, simplifying algebraic expressions become easy and fast. Next, we will learn how to handle brackets and negative signs. See you in the next video.